So right here in front of me is the iQOO Z5 smartphone box. As soon as we unbox it, first talking about the packaging, it comes in iQOO's signature packaging of blue and yellow. As soon as you unbox it, you get some paperwork. This is the guiding manual, and there is also a transparent silicone mobile case to protect your smartphone with different modules given. This is the charging module, and again the camera module is given. Now coming to the smartphone itself, this is the handset. We'll pick it out of the box and it's wrapped in a plastic cover. Once you remove the plastic cover, it somewhat looks like this. Has got a matte dual tone glossy finish. The iQOO Z5 weighs 193 grams. This is the flash charger, which is 44 watt in white. Apart from that, you get a USB charging cable, which is quite thick enough. This is the SIM ejector pin. Now talking.
The iQOO Z5 comes in two color variants, Mystic Space and Arctic Dawn.
iQOO Z5 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 395 ppi and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. iQOO Z5 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and volume rocker. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and a speaker grill. iQOO Z5 5G comes with a triple camera setup with iQOO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as our design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. iQOO Z5 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. iQOO Z5 5G offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by a 44 watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64 megapixel primary camera supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera. The software version of iQOO Z5 5G is Android 11 with FunTouch OS. So guys, that's it for iQOO Z5 5G. Thank you. Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of iQOO Z5 5G. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low, medium, high and very high options. And in frame rates, low, medium, high, very high and max options. We will play on low graphics and max frame rate, so you will get 60 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 8GB RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, which works on 6nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone and 6.67-inch IPS LCD display has good touch response. During the long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 5000 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of iQOO Z5 5G is up to the mark and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.